Hello everyone, if you're facing this error when you're trying to play Hogwarts Legacy, fail to initialize DirectX 12, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Hogwarts Legacy easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser and here you're going to search for DirectX. You're going to go to this link from Microsoft.com. You're going to go ahead and select your language first and then you're going to download DirectX. And once you're done downloading it, you're going to go ahead and install it. And once you're done installing it, now you're going to have to update your graphics card's drivers. So if you have an AMD graphics card, you're going to write here AMD. And if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you're going to write here NVIDIA. I'm going to show you how to do it both. For AMD, you're going to go on to amd.com. You're going to go to resources and support, click drivers, scroll down, select graphics, select Radeon, and then select your graphics card series, and then select your graphics card and just go ahead and select your operating system, download and install this graphics cards driver. And now on NVIDIA, you're going to go on to nvidia.com. You're going to click on to drivers here, and then you're going to click on to GeForce drivers. And once you're here, you're going to select your product type. After that, you're going to select your graphics card series, and then you're going to select your graphics cards product. Select your operating system, select the language, and then click start search, and then it will search the driver for you. After that, you're going to go ahead and download the latest driver. And once you're done downloading and installing this driver, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And after you're done with the restart, now when you try to play Hogwarts Legacy, you'll see that your game will work correctly. You will not get that fail to initialize DirectX error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.